If you've been told or trying to make videos that just go viral and your channel isn't growing, or you're not sure that it's actually bringing people to your paid offerings, that's because most advice about YouTube just is not made for artists and crafters, especially those of us who teach. That advice has been made for influencers or people who just want to monetize their channel through ads. I see so many artists working hard, kind of doing the grind of posting on social media and struggling, really struggling to get the cold audiences to get their word out of the gift that they have to offer in their classes. When you're on YouTube, be so generous with your content. Be generous with what you give and what you share. Because in our world, with artists, with people who make things with our hands, that beauty, our people respond to generosity. You know what they want? They want real connection. They want authenticity. And they actually don't really care what you look like. They don't care if you have a fancy setup or not. What they want is community. What they want is being able to do the thing that you're teaching them without pain, without struggles. And that's what you have to offer. Filming what you do, the art or the craft that you create, whether it's for a YouTube channel or for workshops or for social media, it shouldn't be a grind. It shouldn't feel like, oh, I have to do this again. And it shouldn't take time away from you making your art. If you do it efficiently, if you have equipment set up so you can just make your things, but you happen to pop in a camera and click record while you're doing it, that's an efficient way to do things, and it gives you more time to make your art. Now, you have to have equipment set up so that it's not in the way and so that it's so easy to just pop in your phone and film. And as you do that, you build a library of content. One long form video can become a tutorial for YouTube or a tutorial for a workshop. You can actually put it both places. And then that one video can become several shorts. Where can those shorts go? All over the place. They can go to all of your social media. And if you organize them and name them and keep them in files, you build an entire library. You build a bank of video content that you can use over and over. This is just one of the tips that we have for you inside the Academy for Virtual Teaching. We have courses on how to make the video, the equipment, filming techniques, all of the ideas that help you be really efficient at this and make it really effective. And we have a course on making these things for your YouTube channel. The whole strategy, the whole idea to bring your channel to a place where it constantly brings paying customers to your online or brick and mortar shop, to your workshops. It can be done and it can be fun and it doesn't have to be hard. Check us out at academyforvirtualteaching.com. I can't wait to see you there.